Hello Nigerians, I just came across this news from Sahara Reporter. How Nigeria government use already abolished law to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and NJC and NBA were all mute. They don't want to say anything. This is why people say that Nigeria is a lawless country, that Nigeria is a dead country, a country that is being run by bandits and terrorists. The governor of Katsina State is set to free 70 bandits that buried a lot of people. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was jailed with already abolished law. That is the exact reason he was shouting Omoto show me the law. Because he know very well that the law which they were laying their emphasis, understand, is already a dead law. I don't know if you understand. He is really passing through persecution. Understand, they are persecuting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and that is the reality. Well, drop your thoughts at the comment section. What do you have to say about this update from Sahara Reporters? Follow this page for more. Share it for others to see it. One love.